Imagine you move into a new home, you're doing some minor renovations, when you discover a whole other hidden section to your house that you had no idea about. What would you do? Well, this is exactly what happened to a couple on TikTok who got way more than they bargained for. So let's discuss this and more only in today's video. Hey everyone, what's up? Some of you guys might recognize me from the YouTube channel Most Amazing Top 10. My name is Lindsay Ivan and I've been in a couple IOs back in the day, you know, if you're a true subscriber. Well, I'm gonna be your host for today's video, but before I begin, I have some very exciting news. I am launching my very own reaction channel called Peach. Why? Because I'm sweet as a peach. I'm just kidding. But you should totally check it out and subscribe. It's gonna be a great time, I promise you that. So go on over to Peach, check it out, and subscribe. Now, on with the video. A TikTok posted on April 23rd reveals a couple getting more than they bargained for while renovating their first home. In the video, TikTok user Mia_bug shows her husband tearing down a wall in their bathroom. That's when they discovered a fully tiled walk-in shower, complete with its own shower caddy still hanging there. Since posting this video, it has gone viral and is currently at 1.8 million views. Now, the Oklahoma couple, Mia and TJ, bought the house with a $150,000 renovation budget. They then wanted to flip it into their first dream home. The finding of the shower kind of set them back a little bit because it looks like it's going to cost them a fair bit to get it looking good and running smoothly. But commenters have pointed out that this shower could drastically increase the value of their home once it's fully renovated. So in a way, it's a big bonus for the couple. In a follow-up video, the couple revealed that the previous owners had told them about the boarded up area. They said that the seller told them that there was a leaking drain pan back there and that it would only be a small fix and it wouldn't cost much to fix. The sellers also said they didn't have the time or energy to fix it, so that's why they just covered it up, which was clearly a big lie because there's more issues going on back there than just a simple leaking drain pan. When the couple found the shower, they were completely baffled. In the video, Mia said, and I quote, "We were not expecting that at all. We were expecting just a leaking drain pan." Now they have way more work to do on the shower than they originally imagined. Now, one commenter suggested for Mia and TJ to contact the previous homeowners to, you know, try and get some of their money back. But Mia responded saying it wasn't worth fighting for. Apparently, the seller didn't even fix what was agreed to in the contract. And it seems like the longer they stay in this home, the more they find flaws about it. In another TikTok, they discovered a ceiling fan in one room that won't shut off, no matter what. They also found a hole in the wall that was stuffed with dirty underwear and vent covers too big for the area that they were covering. Let's just say that this home is a real fixer-upper. Now, this isn't the first time a TikToker has found something unusual hidden in their home. Back in March of this year, TikTok user Samantha Hartso noticed a draft coming from her bathroom behind the mirror in her New York City apartment. She removed the mirror and found out that there was a hole in the wall. The hole led to a whole other apartment. It's pretty creepy if you ask me. So maybe we should all just start knocking down our walls and investigating our homes, because who knows what we'll find. I'm just kidding. Please don't actually. All right, folks, that's all for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to check out my channel, Peach, and subscribe. Bye, guys. I'll see you when I see ya.